For West Michigan businesses with operations in Florida, the concern over Irma involves more than just buildings and other bottom line assets. They're also concerned with their employees and their families. All new at 6, 24 Hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey is seeing how a West Michigan company is preparing for Irma down south.
Brian, Rockford Construction has offices in Bonita Springs and a project going in Key West, both in the potential path of what's shaping up to be the worst Atlantic hurricane on record. Rockford Construction Chief Operating Officer Tom McGovern has been keeping a close eye on the weather.
Through that region, the southeast region, we have projects that are directly in line with what's coming.
With offices in Bonita Springs and a project underway on Key West, McGovern says the first concern is with employees and contractors. With only one route out of Key West, once everything was tied down at the site, Rockford employees were told to head north.
They actually have extra fuel and water to make sure that they make it through the entire state of Florida. They're not going to stay in the state of Florida. They're going to move higher north into, I think, the Tennessee area.
Everyone in the construction business has to deal with the weather. Whether it's a large-scale project like the West Side Complex that'll include housing and a Meijer store in Four Seasons, Grand Rapids, or ones being built in hurricane-prone areas like Florida and Texas, Rockford has all three.
You tie things down, you try to make sure that all your materials on site are not going to move to other properties or become airborne.
The governor says all of the projects have safety plans in place. That includes plans for hurricanes in the south.
This is an unusual one because you really technically have to have a plan to demobilize everybody, get them out safely, and then after the storm is done, assess what's going on and then try to remobilize.
With everything tied down and employees evacuated, the waiting game begins. Will Irma change course and give a glancing blow, or will it be a direct and likely devastating hit? The governor would not venture a guess as to what any of those scenarios might mean for the company.
When you run into something that is the biggest ever, you start to question, what does that mean? What will the impacts be?
And again, this is shaping up to be the biggest Atlantic hurricane ever. So when it comes to dealing with the aftermath for companies like Rockford Construction, all bets are off.